Hi, I'm Skywatch meteorologist Chris Phillips. Awesome pictures and awful pictures from Naples, Florida. Look at some of the destruction here in this residential area. You see roofing materials and awnings and tarps just blown all over the place. Some kind of a water fixture is open and gushing there. You can see electrical boxes that are stripped open. Trees, the ones that are standing, pretty much stripped of leaves, and lots of debris all over this neighborhood in Naples, Florida. Naples, as well as the surrounding area of southwestern Florida, one of the key locations of the second landfall of Hurricane Irma. Here's the storm right now. Starting to see some effects for us. As I mentioned, the Naples southwest area was the second landfall. Irma came ashore near Key West, Florida, starting to push some showers into the low country of South Carolina, but obviously this is where the action is in Florida right now. This area of southwest Florida, Fort Myers, the current location of the eye, and it is still an eye of powerful Hurricane Irma. Now it's down to a Category 2 storm, but still a lot of storm going on. It's missing virtually all the lower half of the storm. It sort of chopped it off into two parts. However, still a lot to go and still a lot of peninsula of Florida to cover. It will probably come in as a Category 1 in Tampa, possibly Category 1 hurricane winds in Orlando later tonight as well. A huge storm right now covering most of Florida. Some of the wind, some of the rain coming our way, not hurricane force, but Florida, unfortunately, in for a very rough night. You can see the winds are down to 105 miles an hour, really galloping north at 14 miles an hour. Irma is still a Category 2, probably be a Category 1 just a little while, right around Tampa or so, and then a tropical storm as it leaves the peninsula of Florida overnight. It's going to track well to the west, mostly through Alabama, Mississippi, and into parts of Tennessee. Not coming here, but the differential of some of the pressure we have, as well as the rains, are going to give us a pretty rough day tomorrow as well. Here are our threats for tomorrow, Monday. Winds, flooding, possibility of tornadoes with the gusty winds. Not a probability, just something to watch out for. The peak time will be through the day. I'll watch for the winds to ramp up between 8 and 10 a.m. tomorrow. And then much of the day we'll see strong and gusty winds right around here. If you haven't already, tie things down. It's going to be rough. The National Weather Service has us under a high wind warning all day Monday into Monday night. They're projecting winds 30 to 40 miles per hour, gusting up to 60 miles an hour. Under 40, not too bad. Above this threshold, though, we will see damage. If winds gust this high, we'll see trees and limbs come down, and you know what happens then. The power starts going out. We'll watch out for that. Rains about 2 to 4 inches in the Midlands, more for some areas, especially down to the south and west, more toward the storm. Overnight 63, rain beginning, breezy, not rough overnight, but we will see it in the morning. Sunrise at 7:05, and again, we're going to see things really start to kick up through the day, through the early morning hours, 8 to 10, and then strong through the day. Monday, a day of wind and rain, 73 degrees the high on Monday. We'll see rain and thunderstorms wrapping up on Tuesday. Wednesday, midweek, back to regular old Midlands weather. That's your Skywatch weather forecast.